Hello guys, I hope you're well. In today's video we're doing autumn fall cleaning with me, motivational cleaning of your back garden and a front garden. Tools in this video we are going to use, they're very accessible and quite cheap also. Let's just start with a challenge corded electric leaf blower and vacuum. We bought that for about 50 or 60 pounds a few years back. We haven't used it very often. This challenge blower is very compact size, lightweight as well, and easy to use. Back garden recently been a little neglected, just been raining a lot and just been busy with kids in school and work as well. Not to mention the front garden, just right in between the chippings, there's a lot of weeds you will see soon. So that needs really sorting, especially when you're looking through the windows in the front garden, in the front of the house. You can just see all this mess. So yeah, just about time to tidy it all up. On the video just now I'm showing, you can see the stencil on the paving blocks. It does look really nice. And now as well, as you can see, I haven't done a video about the painting concrete, but yeah, this is very light grey color, and I think this transformed basically the whole of the back garden for us. It looks really nice and bright and gives you more light also. In this part of the back garden there's a bit of a chippings falling off the one side of the wall or the other. Small amount of weeds growing, but just that really quite a quick and tidy up. And the equipment, the other equipment I'm going to use is going to be just a normal a Bosch trimmer to cut the little green area at the back garden. I'm using something long and something sharp in a way to get rid of all the weeds, and in my instance I'm using very old kitchen knife, which I'm just going through the edge where the weeds are growing and trying to, well, get rid of them with the roots if I can. And that's the front garden, so you can see right in between the chippings there's plenty of weeds. So that needs sorting ASAP. Right now I'm just using this edger pruner just to get rid of the excess of the grass, which is just keep on growing over on the concrete paving slabs. And now it's time to demonstrate the challenge over and back. First of all, I'm presenting the blower. It's really loud. On the left hand side on this challenge vacuum and blower there is a switch which you can switch the option from blowing to vacuum. That's what I'm doing now. This blower and vacuum, it's strong enough to blow the leaves, weeds, chippings, anything loose, and you can just gather them into one corner and then just use the vacuum just to suck them into this compartment, blowing just right underneath the blower and vacuum. And just a quick sum up just to show you the results so far in the back garden. And now moving on to the front garden, I'm just using the knee pads protectors and also that sharp tool to get rid of all the weeds. I can't remember exactly how long it took me to clear all the weeds from the front garden, but probably those ones I'm doing now, I wouldn't be mistaken if it was about 60 or 75 minutes. As you can see on the video, I am wearing a coat because it was rather cold this afternoon, and the rain only stopped about 10 or 11 in the morning, and it's been raining quite heavily last few days anyway. Also, I want to share with everyone a good advice. Like I said, the rain stopped a few hours before, and I went out when it was nice and dry, and the weeds were coming out really easy. I didn't use any strength whatsoever. I did use the knife only just to get to the roots of those weeds and pull them out so they wouldn't come back so fast. And the video, it's called Motivational Cleaning, Clean With Me, only because, like I said, it's been raining a lot, and on the very first day when it's been nice and sunny, when you've got the minute, just go out there and do some work in the back garden or in the front garden. Make your property look nice and presentable, so then you'll be really proud of yourself. Just now, last final touches. If you're new to our channel, thank you very much for watching. Also subscribe to our channel if you like our content. And now just a quick sum up of the results. Really pleased. Obviously you do need a time to do that, but once you do have a time, you'll be very satisfied. Once more, thank you very much for watching, and stay safe guys, and see you soon. Bye now.